doing this live session to give you the tips about how you can land a job in AI as a fresher by following the light strategy. Okay, so if you are going to follow the light strategy, you will definitely get an interview call and you will be able to clear your interview as well. Okay, so let's start. The first thing is light strategy. Okay, L stands for like you need to learn and implement parallelly. Okay, like for example, if you are doing the boot camp, or either maybe you are doing the degree, or maybe you are just finished your degree or your boot camp recently, right? Now you are struggling to land your job as a fresher. Then you think I should go for the internship, then I will get the job, right? So you are just always looking for the practical experience. As we all know, without practical experience in AI, it's very hard to get a job. So our main focus is only on the practical things, right? But when you are doing the degree or like the or your boot camp, you forgot about it. What you do, what projects they are providing you, what content they are providing you, you just like doing the focus only on that thing, right? Your full dedication is towards that. It is good, it should be, right? But you need to think a little bit out of box. How? What you are learning, just post it anywhere or implement it on social media. Okay, like if you are a fresher and you just recently joined the boot camp or your degree, and then create your LinkedIn account. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, if you already have, this is excellent. If you don't have, just create it. And once you finished one topic in your AI, okay, from your bootcamp or degree, post the article regarding that. This is your choice. You want to post the article, you want to write any like the thing about what you have learned. Just start sharing your experience. This is very good. What is the advantage of this thing? Biggest like the advantage, number one, it increase your confidence. Number two, in case any employer, you have applied for the job, right? And there is a employer who is looking at your profile, they will check how long you are active in this area, right? Like if you are posting about the Python, you have built some classification models, you have done some good visualization, it is going to help you a lot. It will increase your confidence as well, and your employers will be able to see your work, your dedication, and your expertise as well. So this is a very good like the thing. If you are doing this parallelly, you are learning as well and you are implementing as well. Okay, this is very important for you. Believe me, don't try to focus only and only learning the things. Just implement it. I understand at initial level it's tough, but as soon as you will start doing these things, it will start increasing your knowledge. The second most important thing is, next we will go to the next point of the light strategy. This is I. Okay, in this, like what you do, implementation and freelancing. Okay, so what does the student does here? They just keep focusing, implement the projects they are working on, like we can say during the boot camp or the degree, but they forgot again for the practical experience to implement. They just think first I will complete this, I will take the certification, I will take the degree, then I will get the job, which is not possible 100%. Okay, you have to implement what you are learning. This is very important. Okay, so what you do in that case, you will do the freelancing. Let's say your boot camp is of 6 months, right? You have just completed the one portion, you are done with the data visualization, you are done with the Python, everything, right? Now it's the time, take out some time, at least you can say 4 or 5 hours at a weekend, or maybe you can divide it 1 hour on daily basis. Create your account on the Upwork, on the your, like you can say, uh, on the your other freelancer and on the Fiverr, and just you start doing searching for the work. Okay, so in this case what will happen, you will get a real time experience in this. Okay, so when you get a real time experience in this, you will be able to showcase your portfolio to your employer once you are done with your degree and your bootcamp. You don't need to wait another 6 months to work on your practical skills to show your the job portfolio. This is very good. Like the thing, if you are going to do this parallelly. Okay. And the third point is your G. Okay, that is you get specialized. Now once you are done with the again boot camp or your degree, just to think about in which domain or the topic you want to get specialization, because you are going to learn the general things, right? Number one, you are going to learn, start with the Python, then you will go with the advancement libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, your NumPy, Pandas, Plotly, so many sklearn, right? You will learn the basics, right? Machine learning and the deep learning. But now it's a time to get like a expert in one of the topic. Okay, that is your what, either you, if you want to be the expert in the machine learning, then start working on this. You need to choose the one specific domain in this, either regression or classification. Okay, so you choose one of them and start working on that. Okay, it will help you to increase your knowledge again, increase your confidence as well. And whatever you are doing the projects real time, don't try to focus on the generic project, just do the real time some projects. For example, if you want to become an NLP engineer, right, just to focus on the one or two project but at a deeper level for the your text analysis. This is very important. Okay, and then show your expertise with this one. And the next thing is your H, like from the light strategy, hackathons. Okay, join the hackathons, participate in the competitions. There are many websites where you can participate, like the HackerRank, we have the Kaggle, right? They always, there are like a list of competitions, and they also, you can win the prize, number one. Number two, you can build your strong the job leaderboard over there on the Kaggle. Some companies like try to hire you through the Kaggle. Okay, this is I'm telling you, like, because I have seen in my career when I switched into the AI, right? So at that time many companies hired my colleagues and other the students who were doing the very good in the leadership the projects or the competitions, right? So they get a chance to for the interview call. So it happened. This is the one of the best place where you can show your expertise, so you don't need even to build a very the long job portfolio. Work on a project, show your expertise, do it at a deeper level. Don't try to do 10 projects which is not complete. Okay, they are not looking for that kind of project, they are looking for real time project with the proper, like you have done professionally, everything is done like a clean, in a clean way, and with the good strategies. Okay, this is what the interview want. I have already shared the the top data projects on which you can focus, which is not related to the generic one, that is a real time. Okay, so you can see my that video or shorts. Okay, it will help you. And the last one is your tailored applications. So what we do, we again, I will say, many students do only one thing. They just only and only focus on the completing boot camps and their degree. They thought like they will get a job, right? So this is not enough. Again, if you have are following the light strategy from start to end, as I have shared with you, and then start preparing your resume according to the job description. You need to shortlist first the top companies, right? in which you want to apply, my recommendation is always start with the mid-size company. So you can get a more experience and then start focusing on the more bigger companies. Because to learn the things, implementation and to work in the real time is very different. Okay, so then prepare your resume, increase your network on the LinkedIn, in the community, join many like your AI community, start increasing your network at a higher level, keep on increasing your like the network. It is really really helpful. Okay, and then apply the jobs, but keep doing this when you are about to finish your degree or boot camp. Don't wait for till the end. First it will finish, then I will start preparing the resume, then I will apply. So this is the big mistake students do. They just waste their another 6 months after completing their boot camp and their degrees. Okay, so this was all about light strategy. Okay, and just follow this and try to achieve your goal. Okay, and thank you so much to stay with me. If you have any question like related to your job portfolio, resume, and the like how you can increase your practical experience, then you can drop a comment in the comment box. I'm happy to reply. Okay, thank you so much.